Hey guys, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear and front bumper on this Ford 4th generation Econoline van. Be sure to wear some safety glasses to protect your eyes, and you may actually want someone to help you, but it just depends. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. We will start with the rear bumper. If you have one of these trailer hookups, you can go ahead and disconnect them up here. It just has two catches, one right there and one right there. There we go. And it looks like this one used to have a Christmas tree clip, but it snapped off. However, this bottom one still has it. And pull that out. And this one only has one catch. Sometimes a flathead screwdriver will help you. You just have to really push down to get it past that little knob. So I'm actually getting rid of this bumper. I'm not going to keep it, and I don't want to keep this obviously because it's all destroyed, but I do want to keep the wire harness, so I'm just gonna cut all these wires. And the reason I disconnected it before cutting all these is I'm not sure if some of these are hot or not, so I didn't want to blow any fuses. You can see some of the insulation on these wires are all cracking, causing issues anyways. Next, guys, the bumper bolts to the end of the frame on each side, and there's actually only 3 nuts that we have to pull off here, and they are on the other side. So there's 2 there, and 1 right there, and then the same for the other side as well. These appear to be 18 millimeters. However, the one I got at the junkyard over there was 21 millimeters. So I guess it just depends on the year. But if you can get to it, I would just use an impact. And on these outer ones, I'm just gonna thread these on a couple threads just to keep it safe so it doesn't fall off on me. And unfortunately, the impact isn't gonna fit for the inner ones, so we'll just have to do those manually. Well guys, if you're strong enough and you've eaten your Wheaties, you can potentially pull this bumper off all by yourself. But I'll just kind of push it in and remove those 2 nuts while holding it. It'll kind of rest on the bolts, but it will want to kind of slide out of there. All right. It is a little bit heavy, but not too bad. Let's pull it off. Okay, now it's time for us to remove the front bumper. 2 10 millimeters up top, and I'll probably redo those inserts. And you don't necessarily have to take the plate bracket off, but I'm gonna be refinishing this entire bumper with the black Raptor liner. And the bottom parts are just held on by some plastic rivets that you can just drill out. And it just pulls off, and we'll replace those rivets when it goes back together. So the front bumper is kind of similar to the rear, except instead of having 3 nuts, it actually only has 2 on each side. The other one's hiding up there behind this air dam, and I don't think we actually have to remove this before we remove the bumper. However, it would be a little bit easier if we did. But I'll pretty much do the same thing as the rear and just hold 2 of the nuts on by a couple threads so it just doesn't fall off on the ground. And then when I get into position, I'll pull it off. All right, guys, now that the bumpers are off, I'm going to be painting the whole vehicle and doing a lot of engine and suspension work and everything, and it's gonna be a while before they're back on. But thanks for watching, guys. There'll be a lot more videos coming, so if you want to see those, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.